everyone, for this video I'm going to be showing you how to blur your videos on Capcut. Now first thing you need to do is to import a video and drag it to start creating, and go to effects and select a blur effect. Once you selected it, you can put it above the video and you may drag it, and you can see that the video has been blurred already. Now in the effects section, there are various kinds of effects you can use. Now we're gonna try this effect and drag it. And the video has been blurred. And on this right side, you can also adjust on how blur your video want it to be. And you can try playing it on to see. That's it. That's how you blur your videos on your CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.